What's up everyone, I am Jamie with 3littlegoats.com. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Usually on Saturdays I put out some sort of soaping video. I like to call it Soaping Saturday, or some sort of beauty DIY beauty product, something along that lines. And then throughout the week we put out some random vlogs where we show you around our homestead, where we have goats and pigs and chickens and hopefully some ducks and sheep in the near future. Fingers crossed, if I can talk my husband into it. And if you've been around for a while, welcome back. I'm glad to see you as always. So we are back to making soap. I'm back in my office where it's nice and clean. I don't have a foot of snow outside, and I've got plenty of soaping supplies. So we're going to make some soap today, and not any soap. We're going to make some coffee soap because your girl needs some caffeine, and coffee is one of my favorite scents. So I figured let's make some coffee soap. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright y'all, so my office smells like coffee and I am super excited to get this soap started. So I have my lye water solution here. I actually use some instant coffee in it. I'm going to strain it out as I pour it in because there are some bits that didn't dissolve, which is fine. It's just coffee. It's just good for the skin. And then I've got my fragrance oil that I blended myself. For colorants, I'm actually using some cocoa powder for the color, as well as some titanium dioxide, just so I have a darker and a lighter color brown. So without further ado, let's get soaping. It is raining out like there is no tomorrow, and hopefully it's not too bad because I do have a metal roof. If it is, then this may just be a voiceover, but hopefully it won't be too bad. But let's get started. Alright, don't make a mess. Oh, and I also already have my kaolin clay, my goat milk, and my beer powder already in my oils. So let's bring this to a very light trace. Perfect. Alright, that over, and then I'm going to split this off so I can do my lighter and my darker color. I want more dark than light. I just want like a smidge, just a smidge of a lighter brown. Get that poured in. As I get it all over my hands. And then we get that poured in. And give this a quick mix. I think I want just a little bit darker. Not much, just a smidgen. So I'm going to put in a little bit of chocolate brown mica. Alright, I think I want, well, I gotta put my fragrance oil in first. Hopefully this goes well because it's a custom blend. Things can always go wrong when you make your own fragrance oil. So we're going to mix this in by hand.
We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you.
Ooh, delicious. Alright, let's get this to scrape off. And then I think what we're going to do is just do in the pot. Swirl. And get this in the mold. Oh, she's heavy. Alright. No one asked you to be so difficult. Don't stick. See if I care.
It never ends. Let's be more than friends. Yeah.
Whew. Alright.
No, I'm here to stay.
And I think
Single day.
I'm going to make a mess.
So
I'm just going to take some of this white, not a whole lot that's left.
it's just us two.
Make a big old mess with it. And just give it a quick swirl. Definitely am not a latte art person. But yeah, I definitely prefer more creamer in my coffee than I do my coffee. I don't drink coffee very often, but when I do, I want it to taste like anything but coffee. Let me know down in the comments below how you guys like your coffee. Do you like it black? Do you like it with just a little bit of sugar? Or are you like me and don't like your coffee to taste like coffee? Alright. Let's give this a spritz. Clean up around my edges. Then I'm going to put the rest of this in some sample bar molds, and I will be back in about 24 hours or so to get this soap cut. Alright y'all, so it is my favorite day. It is soap cutting day. Now, of course, I didn't oven process this loaf, and from the looks of it, I probably have a partial gel in the middle of it. It did volcano a little bit. It cracked on the top, which is fine. I can clean that off. And if you don't know what a partial gel is, I have a whole video dedicated just to a partial gel and how to fix it, but we'll address that when we open this up. So let's get cutting. Alright. Come on, partials. Oh, no. It just volcanoed a little bit and it gelled all the way to the end. So I'm kind of happy with that. Oh, it smells so good. Now I want some coffee. It's kind of chilly today. Our weather has been so wonky. We've had 70-degree weather, then a giant snowstorm, and we were snowed in for a week, and then 70-degree weather, and then it's calling for not snow, but a wintry mix today. So I don't know what's going on with this weather, but it needs to stop because I'm getting sick and I blame it on the weather. Oh, it smells so good. So good. Whoa. Alright, so that is this week's soap, and I will see y'all in the outro. So that is what I've got for you guys today. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. It really helps. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. What are you waiting for? We put out new videos every single week, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.